I'm Nate Spears with Carter Lumber in the Erie, Pennsylvania market. I'm the general manager up here. After we got introduced to it, we were like, this is a gold mine. You know, this is a great product. Not only can we get the product very well, source it very well, but the manufacturer supports it really well. And on top of that, it's a good product. So it's a good product. It's distributed well. It's, nobody likes to talk about it, but we're going to talk about it. It's priced very good. It's extremely easy to install, better than all of the other products out there that we've come about. And I'm not out there installing it every day. I'm just telling you what my customers say, my accounts say, that it just goes up quicker than even the treated lumber goes up. I mean, my accounts would rather install this vinyl for the same price as they would treated lumber, even though the treated probably material wise costs less. They carry all those things too, all the fancier things, the aluminum, the secondary rail, the fence, but their core product, the vinyl straight type rail, square baluster, they're 90% skew is the best, the easiest, the quickest, probably the most competitively priced if you buy it right, the easiest to source. When all this BS went down last year, when everybody else was shut down, Color Guard was still running product and getting us product. And we had it and we were selling it, and our competitors were out, and our contractors were still coming to us and relying on us to get it. So yeah, I adamantly believe in Color Guard.